actually we're not seeing anything like that. We're not seeing any link between cesarean section and the development of obesity. And the primary reason we're not seeing this is because all of the link between cesarean section and obesity is explained by other factors, such as maternal BMI, maternal smoking, these types of factors. One should be aware that cesarean section is a surgery, and it has complications. And there's also been other studies suggesting that there's a link with, between cesarean section and other types of conditions such as allergies and asthma.